If you love art and travel, then you will love this vacation home. Welcome to Wander Cape Charles. I'm Sarah and I'm going to be giving you a tour of this picturesque dream home that is located beachfront on the Chesapeake Bay with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms that comfortably sleeps 6. Now let's go inside because every piece of this home was beautifully thought out. It was actually made for an artist. So you're gonna see that reflected in the interior. Let's enter in this grand door. Upon entry into the home, you're met with cathedral wooden ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows looking out to the bay with rocking chairs for you to sit and relax in the morning. That's one of my favorite things to do here is just grab a cup of coffee, sit there and enjoy the views. And what I really love about the decor of this space is how there is such an attention to detail and such an inspiration from around the world, which is really inspiring if you love traveling. For example, right here, we have a Danish bar. Inside here, there's actually a bunch of games that you can use while you're here. Above here, we have an African tribal mask, and of course, this beautiful peacock pearl mosaic art piece. There's a lot of mosaics in this space, and that's actually because the person that designed this home was a mosaic artist, and you will see that reflected throughout as I show you this house. Right here is the main seating area. You can get seating comfortably for about 10 people here, and I just love this gas fireplace, so easy to turn on and off. You got the Samsung TV with Sonos speakers, of course, because we want to make sure you have the best audio experience. Underneath this beautiful coffee table is a bunch of books for you to read and relax. I love this crystal pendant chandelier here, and right in front of the fireplace we have a very unique piece. It's actually an African ceremonial bed, hand carved. This is just such a special piece. The cool thing about this home is that you really feel like you're exploring the world while not even leaving Virginia. And that is just so unique. From the main living area, you can step right outside those floor-to-ceiling windows, which actually open up fully to our deck that enjoys views of the water. There's plenty of seating out here for the entire family, friends, or even a work retreat. This closet right here has tons of activities that you can use in the ocean, like boogie boards, fish nets, toys and things like that. And then further down this way, there's actually an outdoor shower with some of the most beautiful stonework I've ever seen in an outdoor shower. Look at this blue stone. I mean, have you ever seen an outdoor shower this fabulous? Then right over here, we have a hot tub. Because would a vacation home be complete without a hot tub? I mean, come on. This is the best way to start or end the day, and you're looking at that ocean. It's perfection. To the front of the living room space, we have the dining area. And I am in love with this dining table. I wish I could have it in my own house. It is a live wood edge table that comfortably sits 10, and the dishware in this house is extraordinary. As you explore what's in those cabinets, you'll come across beautiful dishware from around the world, including an entire set of chopsticks from Japan and tea sets. To this side, we have a Wander workstation. I'm not gonna explain that right now. We're gonna get into it a little later. And here we come across the stunning kitchen. What really stands out about this kitchen to me is the use of different materials to really elevate the space. I love this Ikebana stone mosaic that is gone across this entire back, making a beautiful backsplash. And fun fact about this Ikebana stone mosaic, there's actually a book in the house where it is featured in, which I thought was very cool. We also have a beautiful blue granite stone countertop right here with 4 bar stools. So imagine you do hire a private chef, which I did recently, and it was fabulous at a Wander. You could sit here and watch the show, which is really fun. We have everything you could ever need to make the perfect meal if you are a home chef. Literally, you name it, it's in this kitchen, from high-end appliances to beautiful dishware. Plus, there's a wide variety of teas, coffees, spices, oils, vinegars, and all the basics so you can feel right at home here. It makes staying in this vacation home so easy and relaxing, and that's what we want. We want you to enjoy it and feel like you're living in your dream home. If you're a parent like me, then you're gonna love this detail about all of our Wander homes, including this one, and that is that we have everything you need for young kids. For example, this high chair with baby utensils, dishware. It just makes it so much easier to travel with kids. I have a toddler and this has been a lifesaver. There's also a crib here for your use. As we continue to explore the space, you're going to notice oriental rugs from around the world. And as we head to the first guest bedroom, you're gonna pass another beautiful mosaic. This one reminds me a little bit of Greece. And on this side, we have a hand-carved driftwood horse that is full size. This is a very unique piece of art. Now let's head into this bedroom. This room has a queen size bed with the most comfortable mattress. We here at Wander want you to sleep better than you do at home, so we invest in the latest in sleep technology and high-end linens to achieve that. This room has floor to ceiling windows that open up so you can actually step right outside your bedroom to the outdoor area, which is absolutely fantastic. It's just such a great thing to have access like that. This room also has a lot of unique art, and we have another beautiful oriental carpet right on the floor. This in-suite bathroom is dripping in beautiful stonework from the floor to the ceiling. We have blue marble on this wall, and then the shower is a custom mosaic with birds. And then right over here, we actually have all of your Wander amenities. These come in every single house, from shaving kits to combs to vanity kits and loofahs. You don't have to bring any of that with you because we have it right here for you. On our way to the other guest bedroom on this floor, we are going to pass another bathroom. This is the main bathroom for the living area. And this bathroom also has stunning mosaics, a floor to ceiling white mosaic in the shower, and blue marble on the walls. I just love how artistic this whole house is. Now let's head down the hall to the other guest bedroom. This has a very comfortable king-size bed, a Samsung TV, wireless cell phone chargers next to each side of the bed, which is also in the other bedroom. You don't need to worry about bringing your phone charger. We have it covered for you. There's also a Sonos speaker here and a large closet space for you to use. The decor in this room is very much mid-century modern, but there's still that hint of world travel here that's reflected in these African wicker woven bowls. Right outside of the second guest bedroom, we have the laundry room right downstairs. At the top of the stairs, you're met with two more oriental carpets from around the world. And off to this side is the primary bedroom. This room has a mid-century modern design and floor-to-ceiling windows that double as a private balcony. So you can literally step right outside and enjoy the views, which is absolutely lovely. This room has a king-size bed and a super comfortable mattress. And the cool thing about this mattress is it actually has a feature where it can lift up so that you can actually sit up in bed or even lift up your feet. There's an air filter right over here for your convenience. On either side of the bed, we have wireless cell phone chargers for your use and a massive Samsung TV directly in front of it that is sitting on a beautiful rose teak walnut cabinet that is handmade, absolutely gorgeous, and ample closet space. Our famous Wander robes are actually inside of here, which I absolutely love. I'll show you those inside the bathroom. Come here with me. This in-suite bathroom is incredible. The first thing you're gonna notice is the custom designed mosaic that is covering the entire space. We have a mist stone mosaic on the floor and in the shower. This room has three parts to it. This part of the room has dual sinks, which is great for two, and a standalone tub with beautiful views of the ocean. Plus you have curtains for your privacy in case you need that. And then over here, there is a shower area. Each part of this room does have a sliding door so you can get privacy if you need it. And then right over here is the toilet, which also has a sliding door. I love showering in here because you really feel like you're immersed in an art piece with the amount of mosaics surrounding you. It's just super unique. All Wander bathrooms have our shampoos, conditioners, and body washes, so you don't have to pack that. By the way, there is a farmhouse style bench for your convenience so you can sit and relax. This Wander robe is so comfortable. I love wearing it at every stay. It's literally my go-to. Plus, we have Wander slippers here for you too, so you don't have to bring those. Now let me show you one of the most famous part of Wander's, our Wander workstation. To the back of the primary bedroom, you have a dedicated office space. And here it is, absolutely lovely. This is a perfect place to relax and work because you are surrounded by floor-to-ceiling windows again. And this actually is a door, so you can open that up to get some fresh air, which is absolutely wonderful. I love how we have that artistic touch at this desk as well with the granite blue counter. What makes Wander stand out from other vacation homes is our high-speed internet, ubiquity hardware across the entire property, and our workstations. And we have two here at Wander Cape Charles. Each workstation has an Irma Miller Aeron chair, a Logitech Brio 4K camera, and a 38-inch LG curved monitor for your use. And what I love the most about these workstations is that all I need to do when I arrive is plug one wire into my computer and all of this is already connected for me. It makes the whole process seamless and hassle-free. So that's the interior of this stunning home, but there is one other feature that you should know about which will enhance your trip. Now let's go see it. From the house, there is a shell-lined path through the pine trees that leads to your very own private beach. That's right, private beach just for you. This private beach is absolutely magnificent with a beautiful white sand and calm waters. There's also 8 beach chairs for your use, and we have beach towels and other accessories in the house for you. This is just the most amazing way to relax during the day. I mean, look at these views. It's heaven on earth. Ever feel overwhelmed with what to do during your trip? We are here to help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch after this with recommendations on the best things to do, eat, and see in the area. And want more specific help? Our Wander Concierge team can help with that. Simply text the number that appears on screen right here anytime with questions. Thank you so much for joining me at the Wander Cape Charles experience. Now let's go out and explore the surrounding area because there's a ton to do, eat, and see here. You can check out our travel guide next with tons of recommendations on that. But in the meantime, we look forward to welcoming you here. See you soon. Bye.